All right, so I'm gonna do the recap, Brian. Yeah, if you don't mind, that would be
Yep.
nice. So we traded AMC in the morning. I did have a little bit of at the pre-market, just right at the 4 a.m. I just bought back. I just bought it at 29, and then sold it just before the market opened at 32. After that, it was really tough to trade. I did short it in the pre-market just as a test to see if I have shares for short. We did. We covered that, but I really didn't short it in the market open because it was just way scary to go short on such a strong stock above the VWAP. It sold off really in the first 5 minutes in a bounce. I went short at the VWAP at 30, covered all the way up to 29 for a decent profit, and then the last piece I got out the break even. It did do this lightning bolt pattern that Brian has. It was really nice to squeeze up, but I just didn't trade it to the long side anymore. And later I tried to catch a short on it. It got stuck in the range below the VWAP. I shorted first, got a stop out, shorted again, some profit, but eventually broke out this 29.80 level. And after that, it just became a mess. I really don't like it to trade in either direction, long or short. What about you, Brian? What did you trade?
Well, AMC, of course. OEG, a little scalp that, and Space had a nice short on that one as well. So it just started to break down, and it didn't get quite to where I thought it would get to, but still covered on the way down. So
So, which ticker?
and Space,
A space, yeah.
SPCE, yeah. Now everything's just sort of chopping, and I did trade some TQQQ as well. We got a double bottom there before it started to sell off again.
Yeah, so you did take this double bottom here. Brian took this one. I'm
Yep.
So that was a nice double bottom, and then now it's setting off. And
Yeah, just sold off again.
yeah, I still have some shares of ARC, TNA, and TQQ. They're not doing great. They were up really in the morning, but they just sold off. And that was pretty much it. I mean, we really didn't mess around. So I added some TQQ in the open, and it just sold off really bad. So I'm gonna hold that to see in the next couple of days, maybe come back up. Um, Thor did a really nice trade on Spy, short Spy. That he yeah he did a nice short on Spy. So he's gonna do a recap on it. He didn't have much. Yeah, so here he's just that's the short that's he did on Spy right at the open from this level 422 all the way up to previous day close. That was a nice short. What else we had? Nothing.
No, it was pretty decent day overall.
Yeah,
Had some good opportunities.
perfect. All right, so guys, remember tonight is the webinar by Jared about engineering the market, and also we have the onboarding class at 7 p.m. It's just that we changed it for today because so if you go to the webinar page, there's all the updated webinars are on there. Monday, this one because yesterday was a holiday, is going to be on today, and then we have engineering the market with Jared talking about these cycles with the technical twist. So I think it's very important to just get there. And yeah, we'll hopefully see you tonight in the webinar. If not, tomorrow in the chat room, guys. Cheers.